I need some tea for that. That was so underwhelming. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Today's video is gonna be about this is probably in my opinion, the most hype perfume up to date. Like, I one day knew nothing about this perfume, and then literally the next and up until this point is all I've heard about. Of course, it's the infamous, as you can already tell by the title, Baccarat Rouge. I finally got my hands on Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francis Croix Dijon. First of all, attention to detail. This box, it's very pretty. It's very pretty. I love red. I love yellow and gold, like that family. And the white is crisp, it's clean, it's very nice. So like I said, there was so much hype behind this perfume, and I wouldn't consider myself one who necessarily follows hype, but I do love to smell good. If you know me, you know. So I was like, I gotta get my hands on this perfume. I gotta see what the hype is about. But okay, this perfume retails for a 70 milliliter, which is basically a 2.4 ounce, retails for $300. But finally, I saw that Neiman Marcus was having a sale, so basically I got $50 off for spending $200. So I was like, all right, this is probably just about the cheapest that I'm gonna get it if I ever do get my hands on it. And if I like it, now is the time to get it, and if I don't, I could return it. First of all, I'm gonna read you some of the notes so you can kind of get an idea of what the hype was about. So it says, and this is off the Francis Croix Dijon website, it says that there's jasmine, saffron, cedarwood, and ambergris. You're gonna unbox this baby up, see what it's about. This is nice. I like the packaging. It has like a little tag so you can pull it out. Really cute. I love detail because, especially with all this money that you pay for it, you know, like, yeah, gonna give me all the detail. So here is what she looks like. Beautiful. All right, and this is her. Nice solid cap. Let me. Hold on, we're gonna get something we can spray this on. Actually, I'm gonna spray this on the little note sheet it came with. I must say, I'm not, let me not say anything. So I'm gonna get a view of the mister. Nice, very nice actually. get the fragrance under the overwhelming push of whatever medicinal note I'm getting. Ugh, it stinks though. I can't believe that this is $300 and this is what it smells like. I'm telling you, like, I smell Ariana Grande's Cloud only because people had said it was a dupe. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Yeah, I smelled the Cloud because people said it was a dupe for Baccarat, and I wanted to get an idea of how Baccarat smelled. And when I smelled Ariana's, I was like, oh, this smells pretty nice, but I can only imagine how intense and how much better Baccarat Rouge would smell. And maybe I was wrong for assuming, which I was, because you shouldn't assume, but I had only assumed based off of the hype. Like, everybody owns Baccarat Rouge. This is like a staple in everyone's collection. So I can't believe this. Like, I am baffled. I'm sorry that this review, unboxing, first impression turned out this way. I don't even know if it's necessarily worth playing with, because it's not even that I'm like, it's okay. It's just not necessarily worth the price. I mean, I am saying that, but I'm also saying that it stinks. Like, I don't even know if it's necessarily worth me playing with. And now I also wanted to get my hands on Gentle Fluidity Gold, and now I'm kind of like, is you worth it? Like, I'm not. And again, I shouldn't make that assumption based off of this one fragrance, but this shit is whack. Like, I'm so... It stinks. Like, I'm actually gonna wash this off. It stinks. So there is my first impression unboxing, and very well, it's nothing about it is mediocre, considering I've never seen anybody say that it stinks, or like, I've never heard anything negative about Baccarat Rouge. So I guess I am the black sheep, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, this perfume is $300. So I was expecting projection, I was expecting scent trail, sillage. I mean, it's so toned down, the smell, like even with my hand being here, I can't smell it. I can kind of smell it, but maybe, I don't know if that's because it's on my nose at this point. The point is, I don't smell it how I should smell it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not at all what I expected. There's nothing special about the nose. Like I said, I really can't get past the medicinal part of it. That's really all I'm getting personally. Yeah, so that's that, I guess. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you smell Baccarat Rouge and you have an alternating opinion, or you feel the same, please let me know in the comments. If you have any comments, like, why the hell in the first place did I buy a $300 perfume? There is no answer for that, besides the fact that I wanted it. I wanted to try it out. But that's, I guess, what I get for following the bandwagon, or not even following, but more so inspecting the bandwagon, because you come to find out that you should keep doing your own thing, because what everybody else is doing is whack. It's mediocre. It's bare minimum. It ain't worth it. So anyway, I say all that to say thank you for watching this video. I have a lot of more videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you're all doing well and you're all staying safe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.